Hey, what's going on, guys? So in this video, we're going to discuss the funnels and websites feature. But before we get into that, fundamentally, if you want to connect your domain, the first thing you want to do is go to settings, and then we're going to go to domains. Okay, and then you're going to see that you can add a new domain, right? And when you click on add a new domain, you are going to see that please make sure to have either an A record pointing to 34.68.234.4 or a CNAME record pointing to flash.funnels.messagesender.com, right? So let's go ahead and let's pretend that we are going to buy a domain on Namecheap. Okay, so I'm gonna hop over to my Namecheap account here. Okay, I just purchased this domain called creditrestore.io. All right. And then we're going to go ahead and click into the domain, and we're going to click on advanced DNS. All right, so here we are going to add a record. So the A record that we're going to add is the 34.68.234.4. So I'm going to go ahead and just delete this one here. I'm going to add an A record. The host is going to be the @ sign, and then you're going to paste that in there and then click the check button. And then we're going to go back here, and then we're also going to create a CNAME record pointing to flash.funnels.messagesender.com. So we're going to copy this here, and then we are going to go to add a new record. We're going to choose CNAME record. The host for the CNAME record, you're going to do a www, and then the target, we're just going to paste the flash.funnels.messagesender.com. Leave both at automatic, and then hit save changes. Okay, so now you're actually ready to connect your domain to the AIO. Now we're going to go back to the AIO, and then it's going to ask you to add your domain. We're going to go ahead and put creditrestore.io or whatever your domain is. And then we're going to go ahead and click add. If you did everything correctly, you're going to see a success message. And then here, this is where you can actually choose which funnel or which website you want to add to the domain. So let's say we're going to go ahead and go to the basic website, right? And then we're going to go ahead and select the home, and then we're going to link the domain. Congratulations, so now you've successfully connected the domain to your AIO. Okay, so in this next section here, we're going to go ahead and go to funnels and websites. This is the funnel and website editor and builder that's used in your AIO. You can use this feature to build as many different funnels and websites as you want. You can also create different membership sections to host your courses. So first, we're going to go ahead and just do a quick overview tutorial of the funnels. Okay, so we're going to do this lead magnet funnel here. We're going to go ahead and click into the funnel, and then you can see that each funnel has multiple stages. This is the opt-in page, the thank you page, the calendar page, the terms and conditions page, and the privacy policy page, right? So you can build as many pages and steps as you want. If you want to add a new step, you can add a new step, right? And then here, if you go to settings, you can actually connect a domain for the funnel, right? So since we already added a domain, creditrestore.io, we're going to go ahead and just go ahead and hit save. This way it saves it. All right. Okay, and then next, once you save it, you're going to see that, hey, there is a domain, a URL here, right? So since we already connected the domain, we're going to go to that domain, and you're going to see that it's going to take a little bit of time to load, but essentially it will load with the new website ebook. Boom, successful. So that was really easy, right? So now, obviously you were going to go ahead and go back to the editor so we can edit some of these details to make it more customized to our company. Okay, so we're going to go back here, and then if you want to go ahead and edit it, just go ahead and hit edit page. What I love about this AIO is that everything is visual. It's drag and drop, right? Here you can see that if you click on a section, you're going to be able to change the different options for that section. Okay, and here under elements, so let's say we want to go ahead and change this, change this logo right here. We can change this image, right? And then you can also add new elements. So you can add an element. If you click on that, you're going to be able to like add headlines, right? You can add images. So everything is really visual and it's drag and drop. So you can easily edit the different names and different sections as you wish, right? We've done most of the work for you, but as far as customization, so let's say you want to change this name to, John Doe or something like that, you can just click on it and then just type it in, right? And then after you make your changes, make sure you hit save to save those changes, and you can also hit preview to preview those changes as well very easily. Okay, and as I mentioned before, everything is pretty much done for you already. You would just need to go in here and kind of make sure that your company logo is updated, and then any other things that you want to change about this landing page here, some of the copy content, you can edit here very easily. Okay, the most widely used ones are the add elements, right? You can see the different elements here on the right hand side. Again, this is going to take some time for you to experiment with. You can literally have all the tools that you would need to build a really nice landing page, but this is not going to be a comprehensive overview. This is just a basic overview. I'm not going to go through the details about how to design the page. I'm just going to give you an overview of all the tools that you have access to here. Okay, so we're going to go back. We're not going to save the changes. So let's say we want to go edit this thank you page now. We can click on the thank you page, and then same thing here. You can just edit the page. Okay, and actually you can segment through the pages here by clicking on this top right hand side. So everything's already done for you. Like I said, it's really easy. We made this as simple as possible. Most things here, you just want to change the logos, right, to update to your logo, and make sure everything says what you want it to say. Okay, so now we are going to go into the websites. So obviously the website would be something like your main home page. As you can see, we have a couple different versions here. We have the basic website. There's also the pay-per-delete version, the monthly service, and there's an advanced website. So let's go ahead and check out the basic website here, right? So once we go to the basic website, you're going to see that the layout's a little bit different. As you can see, there's different things you can do as far as having the different pages. And in each page, you can click on this to preview the page, right? You can click on settings, and then you can make sure that your domain is connected. If your domain is not connected, then it's not going to show up. So first, you have to go back and connect your domain and make sure your domain is selected right here. Okay. And then if you click on pages, you can click on this yellow button to edit. Okay, and then as you can see, it's very similar to the funnel editor, right? It's virtually the same. The only thing that's different is the way the pages are laid out. So, you can use this very easily and build it to essentially make your website. This could be your home page. If you want to change the logo, right, you can go here and just change a different image for the logo. You'll be able to change any of the copy, change any of the button colors, right? So let's say you want to change this button color. You can see it's green. You can just select a different color and it'll change the color. So it's very easy to customize. You'll pick it up very quickly. You can change the links here. And again, you can use the different elements, add a new element, and you'll see all the different element sections here, like the text, the forms, media, like the images and videos. You can do custom HTML as well. You can put surveys here, calendars. It's got everything you need to build a very beautiful and clean website. Again, we've done most of the work for you. There's not much editing you have to do, mainly your logo, some of the colors and stuff like that. But pretty much all the work is already done for you, right? And again, if you want to go ahead and go to the other sections, other pages of the website, you can just click on this square button here on the top right. And then go through all the different pages. And that's it for a very high level overview of how to, number one, connect the domain to the AIO, and how to use the funnel and website builders in the system. Thank you very much.